Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create percentage field type in Salesforce. We are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we will first discuss what is percentage field type in Salesforce. The percentage field type is defined as a field type that permits the user to enter the percentage number. The system automatically converts the decimal number to a percentage. Now we will proceed further and learn how to create percentage field type in Salesforce Lightning. This is my Lightning code. For creating the percentage field type, click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, our setup page is open. Here we can see that there are two options. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. The object manager tab is open. Under this object manager, we can see that lots of objects are present, but we want to search the USA student object. So we enter the USA student in the search box and we can see that the USA students come at the top. Click on the USA student object. The USA student object page is open. Here on the left side under the details section, you can see that there is a field and relationship option. Click on this option. The field and relationship page is open. Here we can see that the already created fields are present, but we want to create the new percentage field, so we click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the USA student new custom field page is open. Here we can choose the field type by simply clicking on the checkbox. So scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we are choosing the percentage field type, so click on the percentage checkbox and then click on the next button. Now enter the details related to the USA custom field. Now firstly fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as student percentage, and then choose the length. Here we are choosing the length as 18 and the decimal places as 0. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then click on the next button. After filling the information, now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which you want to grant added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if you do not add it to the field level security. So we click on the visible checkbox for field level security for all the profiles. Then click on the next button. After establishing the field level security, now we can add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any other page if we do not select the layout. Then click on the save button. We come back to our field and relationship page, and we can see that our student percentage field is created successfully. Now we can see this student percentage field in the USA student object. So click on the app launcher and enter the USA student and select the USA student item, and our USA student page is open. Here we can see that record is present. Click on this record. Now click on the details and scroll to the bottom of the page, and we can see that there is a student percentage field is created. Now added this field and we can enter any percentage. So we enter the 70% and click on the save option, and you can see that the percentage is automatically generated. Now move ahead and discuss how to create percentage field type in Salesforce Classic. For moving to our Salesforce Classic version, we click on our profile picture, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and we can see that we move to our Classic version. And here we want to create percentage field type. So click on the username, and under this username there is a setup option. Click on this setup. Now enter the products in the quick find box and then scroll to the bottom of the page And you can see that under the product object, there is a field option. Click on the fields. Our product field page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see that the product custom fields and relationships section. We want to create the new custom field. So click on the new button. The new custom field page is open. Here we can choose the field type and we can choose the percentage field type. So click on the percentage checkbox and then click on the next button. Now product new custom field page is open. Now enter the details. Firstly fill the field label. And here we are filling the field label as product quality percentage and then giving the length as 80 and decimal place 0, and then fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field name and then click on the next button. Now establish the field level security by selecting the profiles to which we want to grant added access to this field via field level security. So we visible all the profiles of the field level security by simply clicking on the checkbox visible and then click on the next button. Then add to the page layouts by selecting the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page's layout. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not want to select a page layout. This is our product layout and then click on the save button. We come back to our product fields page and scroll to the bottom of the page. Under the product custom field and relationship section, we can see that the product quality percentage with percentage data type is created successfully. So with this, we have learned how to create percentage field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.